I am Steve Cates. I'm the president of Ray Allen Manufacturing. Ray Allen Manufacturing is a portfolio company. We focus on direct marketing and customer segmentation, product innovation. Today our niches are Ray Allen Manufacturing, which caters to the police and military canine market, as well as J&J Dog Supplies, which caters to the AKC, obedience and agility markets. The canine equipment we sell is unique. We manufacture a lot of our own products. The base company, Ray Allen Manufacturing, was purchased in 2007 by a private equity company. I came on board in 2010. Since that time, we were growing at double digits each year organically. But in 2012, we made an acquisition of J&J Dog Supplies. We were running on a legacy system, and integration of the different components of the business, especially with the acquisition, running two different customer segments, two different product mixes under the same P&L and the same inventory caused problems. We felt like it was time to stabilize the current business and get prepared for even more growth. One of the reasons we selected the Acumatica ERP is because it had a base foundation that we're really happy with, but it also allowed us to add best-of-breed products on the other side. Since a large portion of our business is manufacturing, we added the Jazz manufacturing module, which gives us more insight into that side of our business. Since we do a lot of e-commerce business, we added the Magento platform using Kinsium solutions for better integration and seamless customer experience. Our Acumatica partner was M2 Technologies. They were instrumental in helping us coordinate the different systems that we were combining. Their knowledge of the system helped us as we customized some things within the system to make it more catered to our business. The benefits since we've been on Acumatica have been vast. I love the reporting in Acumatica, having customer insights and product mix insights, looking at the product life cycle and inventory turns. It's just supremely important for me. From a company standpoint, the things I hear about is just the efficiencies and the ease of use. The fact that Acumatica offers unlimited user license was important to us as a company that's looking to grow organically as well as acquisitions, because it allows us to expand without having to contact the vendor and renegotiate for more users. We can just keep the business moving. Going forward, Acumatica is going to be instrumental in our growth.